Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Bluetooth not working on Realme 16. Let's start the video first of all if you want to fix this problem. So go to app library, here click on settings app, now in setting, scroll down and click on Bluetooth. If you want to fix this problem, so turn on Bluetooth mode and turn off Bluetooth mode. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search Bluetooth from here. For example, this is Bluetooth. So click on Bluetooth and click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache Bluetooth, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. After click on reset phone, click on reset network settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth not working on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.